I almost slept also in a while, so it was very smooth. I'm Animesh Panigrahi. I'm 21 years old. I currently am a student in West Limits International. I'm studying BA in music production and composition. I found about Eugenix through YouTube. Actually, my dad researched about a lot of hair treatments that are available to us. And after a lot of comparison, we thought of going with Eugenix. And after the consultation, we were sure that we want my treatment to be here. The reason was they explained us how the hair fall, like what is the I don't know the jargons of the biology, but I would say they told us that how one person loses his hair. They told us what's the main cause behind it, and according to that, what is going to be the medicine that I should take that could help me. So in that way, they explained me all the things, what's there and what's not. It's not like they immediately told me to take a hair transplant. They told me everything that I needed to know before getting the hair transplant. Then I decided to go with it. So yeah, that's how it's been in Eugenix, and the people here are really kind. And the most important thing for me is I feel comfortable here. So that's very important that everything seems transparent, which is a huge thing for me. Today is my surgery, and I'll be happy to update you guys about my growth in the next few months. Initially, the anesthetic part was a bit, like it sting a bit, but that was it. After that, I didn't feel anything. After that, it was all very gentle and smooth. I almost slept also in a while, so it was very smooth. The surgeon didn't rush anything, which was a good thing. So my surgery happened in 2 parts, and it was necessary because there were some complications which were taken care of very nicely. And all in all, after seeing myself in the mirror, the hairline I've got now, I'm pretty happy with it. So it's been an awesome experience. Staffs are very kind. They're always there for you, and if you have even a small problem, they're there to solve it. So that's really nice.